So guys, personally I prefer it's better you miss a move than to be on the wrong move. I want you guys to see something here. See, this is a trade I was to take on this is VIX 51s. I was to take this trade and take it down here, but it seems I've already missed the move, because you see where I had placed my entry. Market never came to my entry and reversed, because I saw this potential trade, this potential setup that the market is going to sell once it gets to this level. I'm not going to go into deep at why the market will sell when it gets to this deep and this zone, and it will not buy, because nikitunyia hata penye mnaona when the market touched this place the first time, it rejected it down. And so anytime I was expecting it to come back here, I was expecting it to go down. So market came, but it never came to close. It respected this place and dropped. Immediately after that, it dropped, closing below and an open candle. Just missed a move. Let me scale down to a smaller time frame. Painful. Imagine, angalia to look at this move, guys. Imagine tu ingeni tap to in, alafu iende direction yangu. Sweet trade. The risk reward is 9:8. 9:8 ndio risk reward. Imagine. Yani you risk $1 for $8. If you risk $10, you get $90 in return. Mr. Trader. Sawa tu.